Ricky over here making mofongo in a little shack on the side of the road, and it is really interesting. You get fried bananas, fried plantains right over here. It's very interesting. You put it into a little bowl, just like that. You put some sauce in there. ¿Qué tiene esa salsa? ¿Qué tiene? Ajo. ¿Y qué más?
Y otros condimentos aparte, vinagre, agua, aceite, sal y no sé qué más. Eso está de la casa,
Vinagre, vinegar, oil, salt, and a couple other little things. And you just mesh it in this little bowl, the plantain. So that's they're doing that right now on the side here. It's quite interesting. Kind of a barbecue stand. You see these all over the place, but anyway, I've never seen this done. So it's a mofongo. You smash it into a kind of a paste. Real nice and juicy there. Main ingredient, plantain, fried plantain. And then you can see the actual the finished product is kind of like a paste. A little pastry kind of thing. You let it sit for a second. Get the sides so it loosens up, and bam, goes in the plate like a little patty. Looks like a pastry, but it's actually made almost entirely a plantain. So I'm gonna try a piece of that. Ese es mío, ¿no? ¿Ese es mío? No.
Jonathan, ¿ese mofongo?
Is it mío? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna try a little piece of that. I'm gonna tell you right. Oh yeah. That's good. Mofongo. Try it for you. Wow.